Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, we have Finviz.com. Okay, so today I will be talking about how to find great stocks, great deals that you can trade. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is go on Finviz.com. Okay, I will be showing everything, and whenever we go through the video, I will be explaining everything that I think. Okay, or that I like fill some kind of information. I will be explaining everything. So make sure to stick to the right on the end, and let us get straight into it. Okay, you go on Squinner. And right here, okay, you go on finviz.com/screener dot a ASHHX, okay, something like that. Then you go right here, click on all. That's something that like you want to do. Okay, right now I think that you can like every single one of you guys can find this homepage. Okay, the market at the moment of making this video has been open for like 20 minutes. So well, like when are we going to be filling, for example, the market cap? There are going to be a lot more stocks, or there are not going to be a lot more stocks. So we're going to be seeing what will be happening. Okay, so in today's video, what are we going to be filling on this filter will be six things. Okay, and let's just start with the market cap. So what is market cap? Like you can just go over the mouse right here and select it. So equals to the total dollar market value of all of a company's outstanding shares. That's the market cap. Okay, basically we can do this. Wait a minute. So as you can see right here, well, we can go market cap, stock market cap. You can go and search it up. So market cap or market capitalization refers to the total value of all companies' shares of stock. It is calculated by multiplying the price of a stock by its total numbers of outstanding shares. For example, a company with 20 million shares selling at $50 a share would have a market cap of $1 billion. Okay, that's about it. So you kind of multiply. As you already saw, they're multiplying it. So, well, like what we want to look into the market cap for it to be small, okay, plus small or over 300 million. Over 300 million. Okay, so as you can see right now we have 4,155 stocks. Then in this column we don't want to fill like anything else. Now we go to the second. We skip past the second. We don't need to fill like anything here. So we go to the third one. Okay. So in this third one, what we want to fill out is the 200-day simple moving average. Okay, let's see what it is. So the 20 days moving average is represented as L9 on chart as presented the average price over the past 200 days or 40 weeks. The moving average can give the trader sense of regarding whether the trend is up or down, while also identifying potential support or resistance areas. So we can take a look and like fill out that right here. And what we want to do is for the price to be above. Okay, the price will be above the SMA, so that will indicate us that we are in a bullish trend. It's a pretty good thing. You could also go and search it up after like we found some like beautiful stocks on the chart. We're using this filter. We're going to be taking a look at some stocks on the chart. So what we want to look next is the average volume. Okay, the average number of shares traded in the security per day. So I'll click right here. Average volume. The average volume is the total volume of a specified period divided by the number of bars in the same period. Okay, as you can see, how do you calculate average volume? Divide the total from step 2 by the numbers of measurements you used. Okay, so what we want to fill out right here is over 300k. You'll see that we have 1,567 stocks right here. Okay, on the radar. We go to use the charts so we can have additional understanding like that. Candle charts. Okay, let us go with the technical, just like this. And so right now overall we have three things filled up. We need three more things to fill. Okay, so we're not going to be filling anything in this column right here, but we're going to be filling some three things right here. Okay, so the first thing that we want to fill is the industry. Okay, here the industry, basically the industry which a stock belongs to. Okay, so we want to go and click on stocks only. So if you're looking for like auto parts or something like that, you can go and choose everything like luxury goods, medicals, oil and gas. You feel me? But we're going to be going choosing like stocks only. Okay, we can go and search for the funds. You feel me? The advarstia agencies and all the other good stuff. But we're going to be going with stocks only. As you can see right now, we have 1,547 stocks. Okay, so what we want to do next is go on the relative volume or RVOL. Okay, the ratio between the current volume and 3-month average in like intraday adjusted. Okay, I'm going to click on our vol. It's basically the same thing. Oh, see stock. See that we already have searched that up for you guys. So relative volume or R vol is a volume indicator, meaning it helps like measure the investor's interest in a stock. R vol compares a stock's current volume to its prior volume over a specific period. It's exposed as a ratio. Okay, for example, if a stock has an R vol of 5, it's trading at 5 times the normal volume. Okay, so what we want to do right here on the average volume, uh, no, oh, excuse me, okay, excuse me. I needed to search on relative average volume. Excuse me. Okay, average volume. Excuse me about that, guys. I thought that we are filling this in the relative volume. Okay, so for the average volume. Okay, so excuse me about that. I'm really sorry about it if I kind of misunderstood me something like that. So what is the average volume? Is the total volume for a specific period divided by the number of bars in the same period. Okay, so we want it for the average volume to be over 300k. Here it's okay. So no, we already have did that. Bro, yeah, we are all right here on relative volume. And as I said, the relative volume. Oh, I don't know, like what did I just did, but that's basically what it means. So if a stock has R vol of 5, it's trading at 5 times its normal volume. Okay, so what we want to do is to go and click on over 1.5. Okay, that will tells us that the stock's volume is trading at 1.5 times that normal volume. So it is basically it's quite volatile at the moment. Okay, and the shares, the last thing that we're gonna fill is the shares outstanding. Okay, was the shares outstanding? We can go and kind of copy that up. So shares outstanding refer to a company's stocks currently held by all its shareholders, so like institutions, shareholders. You feel me? The share blocks held by institutional investors and restricted shares owned by the company's officers and insiders. Okay, so that's about the outstanding shares. So what we want to fill out right here is to be under 100 million. Okay, so as you can see right now, we're only going to have 43 stocks. We're going to be taking a look at what like which stock to pick and buy. Okay, like you can also trade it. This could be a great pick. Atom. Okay, Atom. We're going to be taking a look at that because as you can see, we had a break of a structure. So we go and click on Atom. Atom. Okay, Incorporated. Atomera Incorporated. Let's search the stock up. Okay, you go on Yahoo Finance. That's how I but like personally research stocks. For each, like of course, I'm not the like this is not like everything that I research. Basically, see what the company does. That says that Aldomera Incorporated develops, commercialize, and license a property materials, like processes and technologies for the semiconductor industry in North America, Europe, and the Asia Pacific. The company's lead technology is the MERSA silicon technology, a thin film of um, ring-grained silicon that can be applied as a transistor channel enhancement to the CMOS type transistors. Its customers include like foundries, integrated device manufacturers, fabless semiconductor manufacturers, or regional equipment manufacturers. The company was formerly known as a Mears Technology, and it changed its name to Atomera Incorporated. Okay, in January 2016, and Atomera Incorporated was incorporated in 2001, and it is headquartered in Los Gatos, California. Okay, this is basically they're in the technology sector, they're in the semiconductor equipment and materials industry. They have around 21 full-time employees, right? So this is how the chart looked like. We're on the daily chart, of course. Okay, you can see that we had trend lines. Trying to recreate this. Okay, we had the trend lines. And as you can see, we have a breakthrough through the structure. We also have a breakthrough structure through this high. It was on 12th of August. Not that quite big of a deal, but still we had a break of the high. And let's see and go to the lower time frame. As you can see, my requirements are met. And from here on, I think that I could really took a long position, but I really need to get more like diving into the company. And am I really going to be looking for for a buy right there. And my kind of TP will be around here, around that area, or just above that high. Okay, and also we have a lot of volatility at that point right here at $34. So you could be something like this. This is not financial advice, not a financial advice or anything like that. 1 to 3 or something like that. It is always up to you. But you could also be like buy like shares of like of it and just hold it as a position. It is always up to you what you're gonna do. But that's about it for the filter. Go and try it for yourself. You have a lot of more stocks that you can research. For example, this looks good at it. Okay, and so on and so on. And as you can see, I forgot to turn on this moving the higher low. I cannot manage to find it right now. Yeah, the 200 moving average. We are above the 200 moving average on the daily chart. So, and on the 4 hour and on the daily chart. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So that's about it for today. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day, guys.